In this video, I will discuss 5 easy skills that will make you very rich in 2024. I know you began the previous year with so much hopes and aspiration, expecting to end the year on a financial high. Many people even set targets to make millions, but by the end of the year, they were unable to meet up with even 10% of their goals. Don't worry, I'm not here to make you regret things that you couldn't achieve. I'm here to help you look into the future. And in this video, I will discuss 5 high income skills that you can easily learn that will make you very rich this year. I will tell you where you can learn them and how much you can earn from these skills. My name is Julius, and on this channel, I make videos on how to improve your personal finance, which include how to make money both online and offline, how to manage your money, how to invest, and every other things you need to navigate your road to financial success. If you're interested in things like this, kindly subscribe and click on the bell button to always get notified whenever I upload videos on this channel. My goal for this video is that you should not end this new year without achieving your financial targets. Watch this video to the end and select any of the skills discussed that you would like to specialize on. And the first skill on our list is mini importation. Mini importation is simply buying or importing goods from overseas directly from manufacturer in small scale and at a very affordable price. The result of mini importation are all around us, starting from the clothes we put on, from the wristwatch and the shoe we wear. Most of the things we consume are not produced around us. So mini importation is very important, and it is one of the cheapest business that you can start. All you need is a phone or a laptop, an internet access, and a little capital, which can be ranging between $50 to $100. Ensure that you import goods that are valuable to people around you, like the things that they really need. Identify their needs, import it, and sell to them. My first encounter with mini importation was at the end of 2021, when I was actually searching for someone that could supply and customize souvenirs for my customers. I actually looked everywhere and I couldn't get what I actually wanted due to the fact that the price was too high or they were not of good value. Then I did some research and realized this is something I can actually order and customize directly from China, and it will be delivered to Nigeria within 2 weeks. This experience helped me to understand how easy mini importation is and how much you can earn from simply engaging in it. Because at the end of the day, when I actually ordered and customized those goods, I was able to even save some of the money that I budgeted for the souvenirs. There are a few things that you should consider before starting mini importation, which include deciding the product you want to sell. You have to check out your immediate environment to see what people around you need. For example, if you're a student and probably you stay in a boys or in a girls hostel, you have to check what they need. For girls, they actually like buying makeup kits, they like buying hair, they like buying clothes. The same thing is applicable to guys. Guys like buying shirts, underwear, wristwatch. So you can actually order these things from China or from anywhere that you decide you want to order your goods from. Then you can now sell to people around you. And the next step is looking for a supplier. Finding supplier has actually become very easier with the help of the internet. Legitimate platforms such as Alibaba, eBay, AliExpress, 1688, and many others can connect you directly with supplier that will supply your desired products. These websites are user-friendly and they facilitate easy communication between you and your supplier. And if you're ordering products for the first time, it will be wise for you to order products in small quantity so that you can assess the quality of the product. If you are not satisfied with what you actually got, then you can now start buying in bulk. It is also advisable for you to work with 2 or 3 suppliers and build a good relationship with them, so that when one doesn't have the product that you want, you can actually order from the other ones. You can learn mini importation on YouTube, and your earnings depends on how effectively you can market and advertise your products to people. The second skill on the list is data analysis. Calm down. I understand that when most people hear data analysis, they immediately think of tech and how challenging it might be to learn. But do not worry. As technical as data analysis is, it is a skill that anyone can acquire. You just have to put your mind into it. So data analysis involves collecting, interpreting, and sharing data to make business decisions or to solve business problems. It is one of the top skills needed globally because the world economy now relies heavily on data. Businesses want to have insight of ideas that will thrive and those that won't. And this is where data analysis comes in. It provides big and small scale businesses with past and present information that guides decision making. A data analyst can work in various industries, including the technology industry, healthcare, food, and many others. You can learn data analysis from the comfort of your home through platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, and even YouTube channels like Alex the Analyst and freecodecamp.org. These resources can guide you through the step and familiarize you with specific tools such as Excel, SQL, and many others, so as to become an expert in this field. In the United States, the average salary of a data analyst is $82,000 per year. The exciting part is that as a data analyst based in Nigeria or any part of the world, you can work with international companies remotely and earn something similar to this amount. Companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook are constantly on the lookout for analysts due to their crucial role in shaping data-driven strategies. And the third skill on this list is copywriting. Copywriting, in a simple term, can be defined as the art of using words to persuade, inform, and influence customer decisions. It is an art of writing for marketing purpose. Every business organization needs a copywriter because they use compelling words like shooting words to caption the heart of the customer, leading them to buy products or patronize the brand or even pay for a particular service. A copywriter can be hired to write ads, landing page, sales page, email, and product descriptions. The beauty of copywriting lies in its universal appeal. Whether you are based in Nigeria or anywhere in the world, the principle guiding copywriting remains the same. As a copywriter, you have to know how to connect with the mind of your target audience using words. Copywriting is a crucial skill that cannot be ignored due to its relevance in the business world. Like any other skills, you can develop your copywriting skill through learning and practicing. Platforms like Udemy, YouTube channels such as Alex Catoni, and copywriting course can put you through and take you through the step of being a professional copywriter. The average salary of a copywriter is $62,000 per year. But due to the flexibility of this skill, you can be in any part of the world and offer services as a freelancer to make something around this amount. And the fourth skill on the list is video editing. With the increase in number of content creators worldwide, the demand for skilled video editors is on the rise. Fine, we have a lot of videos editors around, but are they really skilled? Do they really know what they are doing? Can they edit properly like a professional? Businesses are actively seeking professional video editors that can help them edit captivating videos for TV commercials and their social media advertisements. Learning video editing is not as expensive as you think. You can find tutorial videos on YouTube. There are various YouTube channels that specialize in teaching how to use editing software such as CapCut, Premiere Pro, DaVinci, Apple iMovie, and many more. As a video editor, you can also work as a freelancer. You can work from the comfort of your home. When I was starting out my journey as a YouTuber, I checked on Fiverr if I can get a video editor that I can afford. But I noticed that every video editor on Fiverr charged between $50 to $700 for a short video. So I didn't have any option because I can't afford it. So just went to YouTube to learn some editing skills, and that is what I've been using. So on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, a video editor can charge anywhere from $50 to $700 for a single short video. The most important thing is to be very skilled at editing, and then high-end clients will come and seek for your services. And once you have a few clients that you are delivering top-notch services for, referrals will multiply the number of your clients, resulting in increase of your income. So the fifth skill on this list is teaching. Yes, I mean teaching. I understand that some people may not be thrilled to hear this because of their perspective towards the teaching job. Well, teaching is the process of imparting knowledge, skill, and value from one individual to another. Teaching is no longer what it used to be, as teaching can now be carried out through various means. The growth of online education, teaching can now be done from the comfort of your home without standing in front of a classroom. You can now create videos and episodes, teaching skills that you know very well and putting them on platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, YouTube, and many others, so that you can earn as people watch these videos. To do this, you must have mastered the skill you would like to teach, which might even include any of the skills that we've discussed earlier. At the beginning, you might not be earning much, but as time goes on, if your contents are valuable, your earning will definitely skyrocket. So guys, We've discussed 5 high income skills that can make you very rich in 2024. We've discussed mini importation, data analysis, copywriting, video editing, and teaching. These skills are not just about making money, they are about investing in yourself, adapting to the changing landscape, and positioning yourself for success in the years to come. I want to hear from you. Which of these skills resonate with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell button so that you can get notified whenever we drop videos on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.